Hey everybody, it's Dan from Mechanical Malarkey. Today I want to talk about basic car maintenance that anybody can do. The first thing we're going to look at is tire pressure. You can find out how much pressure your tires need with this label here on your driver's door jamb. So you can see on my car I need 30 psi both the front and the rear and 60 psi in the spare tire. All you need to check your tire pressure is a very simple gauge like this. You can get it at any auto parts store or Walmart or Target. So all you have to do is take off your valve stem cap and then stick this right on the valve stem and then see what it reads. My tires are pretty much perfect. So why is tire pressure important? Well, if your tire pressure is set wrong, you will wear your tires unevenly, and if your tire pressure gets too low, you'll actually damage your tires. The reason you need to check your tire pressure frequently is because the pressure will go up or down depending on the temperature. So if you set your tires in early September when it's 80 degrees out, a few months later it'll be 30 degrees and your tire pressure will be a lot lower than it should be. You also want to check your tire tread. The easiest way to do that is with a penny. If you can see the top of his head, you have too little tire tread left. Just stick it in the tread like this, and there you go. Another simple check is your wipers. If they're streaking when you're using them, that means you need new ones. You can also take a look at them and see if they're feeling stiff and old. In that case, you should probably get new ones. You can see my wipers are stiff and kind of folded over, so that means I need new wipers. Now let's look under the hood. The hood release is on the left side near the pedals under the steering wheel. Mine is right here. Second release is usually underneath the edge of the hood. Mine is right here. Just push it to the side, open the hood. Under the hood there are a number of fluids you can keep your eye on, like the windshield washer fluid, power steering fluid, and the coolant. Very good thing to check is your oil. So pull out the dipstick, wipe it off with a rag, put it back in, pull it out, and see what it reads. This is how you read your oil dipstick. There are two marks, the high mark and the low mark. You want the oil to be between the two of them. If it's below the low mark, add the appropriate oil. If it's too high above the high mark, you can actually damage your engine, but just a little bit, like my car, you should be just fine. You can also keep an eye on your brake fluid level, but if that's getting low, that means that your brakes are wearing out or you have a leak. Don't just fill it whenever it's getting low. You can also check your engine air filter, which is under a cover. Mine is actually pretty clean. So there you go, several easy checks you can do on your car. If you like this channel, please subscribe and follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.